Hansen. I'm from the Philippines. I'm from Young Leaders from the Philippines. So I am the lecturer for today. So, okay, let me share first my screen. Mm. First, am I the screen is my visible? Okay,
Yes.
okay, thank you. Yeah, Tomians, good evening, everyone, wherever you are. Magandang gabi, good evening. Yeah, so my topic for for today is about successful journey in Atomy. So this topic I already tackled last I think last week on the Atomy Philippines. So and also I want you to know what are the three things that for myself that we need to avoid to have a successful journey in Atomy because all I know all of the participants right now in this Zoom meetings want to have successful journey. So that's why we are here in this kind of Zoom meeting because we want to success. We want to experience successful journey in Atomy. So my number one things or points that I think that we need to avoid. We need to not to do it to have a successful journey in Atomy. Number one, take note on this one. Atomian is laziness. Is that correct? Laziness. So for me, what's the reason why I put this laziness? Because um it's very important that we need to show up every day and all of the here in Zoom meeting. First of all, thank you for attending this because I know the reason why you are here is do you want to be successful someday? So that's the reason why I put this number one is the laziness because if if we have this kind of attitude in our life, um I know on myself that we cannot experience the successful here in Atomy. So that's the reason why I put the number one. But first, the meaning first of laziness is the quality of being the quality of being unwilling to work or use energy or idleness. So it means we are not unwilling to work or we are not want to use our skills. We're just idleness. We're just being share laziness or I don't want to do my part. So that's the meaning of the word of laziness. So I see this picture online. You know this cartoon, the Garfield. Garfield said, "I can, but I won't." Um, this picture, it's a simple picture, but it's deep of meaning because she said, "I can, but I won't." Sometimes our enemy is ourselves. Um, we have skills, we have talent, but sometimes our true enemy is not others, but ourselves. We don't have time. We don't have time to teach. Sorry, we don't have time to know. We don't have time to study. So that's the reason why I won't because the best enemy in this world is ourselves. So we need to accept that our first enemy is ourselves. We need to fight this laziness because I know on myself there is no cure about in laziness. So I know all other businesses. Um, if you have this kind of attitude, you will not experience succeed in other terms of business. And also in Air Atomy, if you want to be successful leader someday, if you want to be a royal master, crown master, you need to avoid this one. So instead of being I want, you said I won't. You said I can. We can because that's the true leader or that's the true leader mindset. I can, or we can. Okay? So number one that we need to avoid is laziness. And number two things that we need to avoid to have a successful journey is doubt or doubtful. So okay, so number the doubtful means uncertainty, hesitation, or disbelief. So what the reason why I put doubtful here in Atomy because yes we tried to um invite our friends, relatives, families, but sometimes on ourselves without ourselves or the system of Atomy, sometimes we accept our invitation. So that's the reason why also I put this one. And also Park Hangil said sorry for the picture. Okay, he said to this one, you must always believe in yourself. I saw this picture on Google and it touched my heart because Park Hangil um he said you must always believe in yourself because first that we need to believe we need to trust first ourselves because if we trust ourselves that we can do it like for the first example that the laziness that instead of I want we can that we need to first trust ourselves instead of doubtful we need to trust ourselves now we can I can invite I can be sales master someday I can be royal master someday so and all of our do it will go on. Okay, so take note on this one. The second one that we need to avoid is the doubtful. So also sometimes we are doubtful about the system of Atomy, but remember for all of here in the meeting that Atomy is successful company right now. So don't ever be doubtful to the system because I know there is many successful here leader that that they're not doubtful and also on myself and I already studied the structure and the history of the Atomy and I know how Atomy is successful right now in this kind of industry. All right. So number two, take note that we need to avoid to be successful leader someday or be successful journey is to be avoid the doubtful. And last but not the least is the lifestyle change or lifestyle changing. Um, new old habit into new habit. So um the reason why I need to ask because we need to change our lifestyle. First, remember our mindset. We need to change our mindset into a not a what do you call not for a single mindset, not for a to be a alpha mindset. If we want to be a successful someday, first we need to change our mindset. And I'm happy that all of us here that join right now, and I know that we want to be successful someday, to be a leader someday. So for that, for the last that we need to avoid is to remove the old habit. Uh, okay, and the third, here's the thing, the reason why we need to avoid that we need to remove is sample if we are using some of the products, some of the local products that we are love in our every country here. Like for example, here we are here in the Philippines we have so many favorite products in toothpaste, shampoo, and coffee, but a little bit we need to change lifestyle into Atomy products, shampoo, a little bit of toothpaste, and a little bit of coffee Arabica. So at least time to time basis, we change a little bit of lifestyle, not only for Atomy products, but also our mindset that if we need to become a successful, that we need to change our mindset, our lifestyle, and also the our if we want to be successful in Atomy, also we need to use the Atomy products. So that's the thing. If we want to be successful, also we need to buy Atomy products so we gain PB, and on the PB we earn money. So here's that. So that's the thing. All right. So okay. Quick recap for everyone. Hmm. And also later on, I have questions on the last part of the for on the last part of my um topic. Okay, so the three things that we need to avoid to have a successful journey. Number one, take note on this one, the laziness, the very important. We need to avoid the laziness because there is no successful leader of business that they are laziness. Number two is doubtful. We need to avoid the doubt. We need to trust ourselves first and also trust the system of Atomy. And last but not the least is the lifestyle changing. We need to remove our old habit, our old life, into a new life, into a new mindset. And also, we need also to use a little bit of change to some Atomy products. And time goes by. I know all of our product in our household. We already use all of the products of Atomy. So here's the thing. The question that I said a while ago, Atomians. Um, my questions for you, everyone. Why you should choose Atomy? Why we are here? Okay. So take note on this one. Why we should choose Atomy? And this is on for Mr. Hangil Park. Welcome to Atomy Opportunities. Atomy, because we need to choose Atomy because Atomy offers number one, stable income and secure life. Partnership for three generation. It means you will your granddaughter will inherit your leadership. Third, high quality products. And I know on myself, I tried some several of Atomy products and I testified. And some of my favorite is coffee, toothpaste, and also the sunscreen. A splendid lifestyle. You will experience some of the lifestyle that you will not experience in your life. Healthy and beautiful life, influence and reputation and respect, and also your personal development because the reason also I experienced this personal development. You will gain some confidence in your life. Like for example, on me, I'm gonna be honest. I'm an introvert person, but right now I'm happy that um lecturer in 17 or 20 more people. So I'm happy that I gain my personal development. Okay, so remember this one, why we need to choose Atomy is because number one, we are dreaming to have a stable income, partnership, high quality products, a splendid lifestyle, healthy, beautiful life, influence, reputation, and respect, and also our personal development growth. All right. So I hope Atomians um you understand, and also we are happy, and also we know that what are the things that we need to avoid to have a successful journey in Atomy. All right. So thank you everyone, and I hope we are take note on that and see you on the top. Thank you.